Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a login page on your Wix website. It's very quick and easy. Let me show you how to do it. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, log into your account and click on edit site. After that, once inside the Wix editor, click on the pages and menu here. As you can see, I have mentioned here. From the left hand toolbar, scroll to find and click a sign up and login. Then choose member sign up or I'm sorry, choose member login form. This one. Now choose between the default and here custom form. If you want more control, go to the customs form and click add site. Next, you will decide what shows up first, a new member sign up or an existing user login. Here are that options. When you have done, click publish at the top right to go live. Here's the publish button. Visit your live site, click on login. You will now see your login form in action. Here's the login form. If you selected custom form, you can go to back and edit any part of the form like add fields, change layout or adjust styling by going back. And that's it. That's how you create a login page on Wix in just a few steps. If this helped you out, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tutorials.